Hey YouTube! Today was kind of a fun day. I did a fun project. It was really fairly easy, but it was on one of my more creative ideas. I don't know if you guys will like this or not. You need tables, right? You need tables. You got to have something working, and everybody knows probably one of the better mounts for tables are the Lagoon table mounts, right? I don't even need to show them to you. Maybe I'll post one up here. And you know, seen lots of table surfaces that people have put in, but I haven't seen this done yet. Oh, sorry, while I pick you up, you got a little crooked there. You see what I'm leaning on? It's a solar panel. That's right. And yes, it pivots and it comes out. So I'm on my couch and I have a nice big solar panel table that swings around. Oh, but I don't have just one. I have two. And so that swings out. And if I do things right, and I put a clamp right here, I'm going to put a little buckle, tie these two together, I have a very large dining room table. So this makes it about 60 inches long almost, I think, like that. 58, something like that, by 24 across, 25 across. So not bad. Pretty psyched. I think they work pretty good. I'm hoping I can fit maybe 5 comfortably around this. Cram in 6 if I wanted to. Chair, 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 chair. 4 here. It might be a little cramped, but that's RVing. It's okay. Everybody's used to that. What I like is when you bolt these two together, they still move. So if somebody on one end needed to get out, you can. But quite honestly, look at all the room. If you're sitting on that end, you can just get up and get out. Same over here. You can get up and get out. It's the middle guy. If you sit in the middle, if you sit here, that doesn't work. I love this feature. I'm going to confess, this is probably one of my favorite positions that I think I'm going to use a lot. So I can sit here on the couch, have armrests in the middle, center of my screen, which that's where my TV is going to go. You'll see that soon. And here I am, hanging out. Pretty cool, hey? I like it. All right, thought I'd share that with you. Oh yeah, by the way, they are working solar panels. They're functional. I can take them outside and put them in the sun and draw power from them and charge something, like maybe a cell phone or a laptop. I don't know the rating of these things. I got to figure all that part out, what I'm going to hook it up to. Maybe I hook it up to some speakers outside or an outside screen projector, because the side of my truck would make an awesome screen. Possibilities. So again, like a lot of the things I try to do, move it up a notch and get 2, maybe 3 functions out of this. So here I've got 2 functional solar panels, 2 individual nice tables. They form together. They come together and form a beautiful dining room table, larger, and they work as a great armrest for movie night. Well, movie night for one. I don't know how I'll fit 2. I might have to put another mount down there I could do that. Oh yeah, and this was the other thing that was pretty cool. So I mounted this to my couch, and if you saw in previous videos of my couch was pretty multifunctional. This all lifts up and pulls out. Well, if you take this off, believe it or not, there's enough flex in this that this piece pulls out and goes right past the mount and lifts up still. So it still works. Pretty psyched with that. My lights are going on and off. Motion sensors. I got them on really short timers, just 20 seconds. Get your stuff and get out. Close the door. So all those lights on there are on motion sensors now, as I in my cabinet. So open the door, and the light comes on. No switches. Don't like wiring for switches. It's more complicated. All right. I got that to do next. I got to put a ceiling in with a couple of lights up there, and that'll brighten this area up quite a bit. So. Yeah, my countertop's in place. My cabinets are in. My countertop still needs to be done. I'm jumping around from projects because it was a little cold out this morning and I didn't want to cut that countertop just yet. I got to do that pretty soon too. Peace out.